Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds and for your phone. So firstly, for the earbuds, open Creative app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, and then you will see the same menu. If you open and see this one, just tap at your earbuds at the device list. Then go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the second line we have firmware version. Firmware version is the same as software, so tap at this line and click check now at the top. It checked for updates, it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it, and I recommend it to do. Now on your phone, go to the settings. Then on iOS we have it in the general. Right here we have software update, so update if you haven't it, and on Android you need to go also to the settings. Then system. Some Android phones have system what more visually similar to iOS, so maybe you need you need to find this path like similar to iOS. I have stock Android, and right here we need to go to the system, and here we have software update. So tap at this line and also update if you haven't the latest version. Next step, it work only for Android devices, so we need to disable spatial audio. Not all Android phones have it, this feature at the settings, so now just give me a second and I will show you how to disable it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have spatial audio. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom, it depends on Android phone, and or as I said, you may have in it. So just tap at one time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. Next, we can also try to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. As you can see right here, it moved from saved devices, meaning that it's disconnected. If you have iOS, you will see near to your earbuds text that it's not connected. And then open the charging case. Your earbuds on Android return to my devices, meaning that them reconnected with your phone, and on iOS you will see that it's connected. Now, if the software set didn't help you, we need to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, put your earbuds to the charging case, and this time don't close the case. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light flashed red 5 times. It can start flashing blue and red, don't worry, just enter to pink mode. This time I haven't it. And now we have the 5 flashes. Then we need to reconnect them. So go to the settings and then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button, so maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. You just go back and return to the Bluetooth. Right now it doesn't work for iOS 26, maybe they will fix it in the future, so then turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now, pair new device, and after factory set, these earbuds enter to pink mode automatically, so just tap on them at the device list and then click pair. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!